Hey, my name is Matt Hodson, and I've been raw vegan for about 3 weeks now, and I'm craving something sweet, so I thought I'd make a video on a quick raw vegan dessert. This is a simple cacao nib and agave nectar dessert, so I'm going to take my measuring cups here. I'm going to put 1/4 of raw cacao nibs. Cacao nibs are basically the raw cocoa bean just cut into little pieces. So 1/4 cup of raw cacao nibs into a bowl, and then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of raw agave nectar. It says raw right here, and this is organic clear agave nectar. Agave nectar comes from the agave cactus. It's a Mexican cactus. They use it to make tequila. So 1 tablespoon of agave nectar in there. And now what we're going to do is mix it up. So I'm going to take a rubber spatula and just mix it all around. You basically want to coat the cacao nibs with agave nectar. And I'm going to put this in a dish to eat it out of. So in that goes. Get it off the rubber spatula because I don't want to waste any. Put that in the sink. And there you have it. That is a raw vegan dessert. I'm going to go ahead and stop the camera and get a picture of it, and then I'll get a video of me tasting it and saying that is good. So I'll see you in about 2 seconds. Alright, so here it is, a raw vegan cacao agave nectar dessert. Doesn't that look so good? I'm going to give it a try. That is good. You can add maybe some cinnamon or even some cayenne pepper to give it like a little kick. Whatever you want. This is the basic recipe. So, alrighty then. I'm going to finish that off, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.